Good evening, everybody. Q the Chaotic back here again with the 2025 Lexus LC500, and this is the convertible edition, 5-liter V8, 471 horsepower, 10-speed automatic rear-wheel drive. One of the best grand tours that we have on the market, and right now I'm about to do a dusk drive. So evening, and why not just ride around with the top down and chat it up with you guys. So let me pop the trunk, see if I can fit this wind resistance thing back up in here. So I took it out because I had to utilize the back seats for my children, and also look out for the full review on this car. So this does come in a coupe form, but the top is going to take up most of the space. So we're just going to try and put this back where it belongs. All right, much easier than I thought it was. So just gonna have that up in there. Not even exactly sure how that works, but let us get on in and enjoy this drive. As always, gotta buckle up. We're gonna start this thing off in Sport Plus. So put it in drive, actually manual mode, so we can use the paddle shifters. And let's be out. Alright, this is a one-way. Business is closed. What is this, a church or a school? I don't know, but how do I get up out of here? Man, that's a long ways to go. But we'll obey the law. That's the right thing to do. Actually, downshift it first. My goodness. Sounds even better with the top down. Let me roll these windows up because I don't want y'all getting poor audio quality. That sounds fantastic. Fantastic shifter. All 10 of those gears. Pretty quick too. Rather smooth, not violent. Oh, that's only sport mode. Pardon me. Sport Plus, I said. I made that same mistake in the IS500 video. I only went to sport in the first video, and I left so much more performance on the table. But that's when I first got the car. These are my last moments with the car. It's going away tomorrow. So why not just have one more drive and enjoy this evening? What's this? A roundabout. Downshift, 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 downshift. Sometimes we get some pops up on downshifting as well. Got some skeeters up in the car with me. Hope I don't get bit. Oh crap. Thought I was in neutral. I'm thinking I'm driving the manual. Tricked myself. Notice a little bit of heft up in here. This is a heavy car. I don't even know exactly what it is, but if I had to guess, I'll say around 4,300 pounds, maybe 4,500 pounds. This is a solid, comfortable driver. It's not about the numbers. This is an experience car, which is a lot of people will love these in the drop top edition. So sun's out, buns out. Enjoy the open sky and absolute comfort. This is luxury through and through. Seats are super plush. Even the back seats, even though they sit at like a 90-degree angle, super soft. I can fit back there, but barely. The passenger seat has to be like so far on the dash. I cannot at all fit behind myself, and I don't think anybody could fit behind me. snapback and snapped off my head. Now I gotta hold this thing and drive. Oh, this is terrible. Alright, note to self. Do not adjust this hat while driving again, ever. Shout out to the Topher, he gave me this hat. Actually a competitor's hat that they don't have a car. It's a Cadillac hat, V-Series hat. So I'm a V-Series owner now. Alright, get back to manual shifting mode. Still in Sport Plus. Let's get on out of here as darkness approaches. Readjust my mirror. And it's going to go down to first gear so you don't stall, which I doubt that you can stall in an automatic, but just good to know. All the V8s out here today, or tonight should I say. And if you hear a fan noise, that's the ventilated seats. It's almost 90 degrees today here in Michigan. I'm out here giving away hoodies. But Michigan got that bipolar weather. Sometimes it'll be hot, then it'll go to an extreme cold. You never know what you're gonna get here. But this is such a great car. You can road trip this if you got a partner. Grab y'all stuff, put it in probably the back seat, because that trunk ain't big at all, unless you go for the coupe version, which I would hope is much larger, and just go for a little weekend getaway. This would be the perfect car. Eat up some miles. It drops down to eco mode because it does have an 8-cylinder rated at 15 city, 25 highway. I'm only averaging 15, but well, I haven't been driving it too hard, but got eco mode. And it revs out to past 7,000 RPM. That's gonna be the charm of this engine. All of these cars dodge the roadkill. Got lane keep assist on. Barking at me. Might have gotten bit by a mosquito. Got the mighty. Subtle crack on the upshift. Alright. Glorious noise. Imagine if you got an exhaust on here. Sound crazy, which I like. Crazy in a good way, y'all. Nice little hills in this area. Back at it after some technical difficulties. That's what happens when you got a pretty large dome. Hats are a struggle, but we back at it. Automatic bright lights then kicked in for me. Took a minute for that shit to kick in. Out here in nature, as long as nature don't cross no boundaries on me. Also, this is the bespoke edition as well, so it's a little bit more features than everything else. 117K, but it's all about the experience. must I remind you, this is an experienced vehicle, so just enjoy driving it. It's not about the numbers. Look at that view over there at the lake, Orchard Lake. Stuck behind this terrain is no fun. Oh, they slowing down in this turn already? No, we do not. Notice a little bit of roll up in here. We just roll on. Thank you. Another turn. Going over the line, or can I not downshift? Because I'm too high up in the rev range. I don't know why. When will they let me downshift? Ooh. Sound like a race car. This don't even sound like a Grand Tour. Gotta love that about it. Man, 10 miles an hour. Recommended, that is. Dang. Kind of dark back up in these woods. Sitting there waiting for nobody to speed up in here. Got a little snaky snake coming through. Oh, that was a weak downshift. Oh, that wasn't good. Everybody coming through with their brights blinding me. Enjoyable, man. Seats are plush. Bolstering is quite good too, even though that's not what its intents and purposes are. Just a lovely place to be, and it's got steering feel. That's something you can't say about every Lexus that's in the lineup. This is the old school Lexus. It's the old money Lexus. So thankfully they got something in here that's old school, like steering feel, because that's being missed in a lot of vehicles. Thankfully, not this one. Cool, even at slow speeds too. Even though I would just love to tear through these curves, this is a residential area. Gotta keep it slow. Hey, look at that house. Sheesh. Blinded in the hills. I ain't coming back through here no more. It'll be so scary driving through here in the wintertime if there's ice out here. Sheesh. Let's not think of the animals that might jump out. Sluggish shift. Brights going crazy. On again, off again, on again, off again.